What is up guys, AlexTV back with another video. I'm going to be showing you how to change an electric scooter tire. This video is going to work for any Apollo scooters, any Kaabo scooters, any Kugo scooters, any scooter that has a similar nut bolt design like this one. It's going to work because almost every single scooter tire is the same except the 9-button segways. So I'm going to be showing you how to change a flat tire and how to do everything step by step. Excuse me if I don't know how to use the right terms, but you're gonna need one of these. It's like one of the bowl things. It's a 19mm. You're gonna want to take each side right here, and you're gonna want to start off with taking them and unscrewing each of the sides. Then you're just gonna want to take the fender off, and we'll catch back when we do those. Once you take off the main bolts and the fender, if yours has one, I like to organize my pieces like this, just in case I won't mix up the order of everything when putting it back. So the 2 bolts go on the outside, and all these little screws are gonna go in here. So next, what you're gonna wanna do, if your scooter has like one of these rings, you're just gonna wanna take them out. You're gonna wanna put them in the exact order, right here, ring by ring. And then next, your scooter is probably gonna have this. It's gonna be a hook, a safety hook for your tire. So what you're gonna wanna do is gonna push it up like this. Make sure it's all the way at the front so it's gonna be easy to take off. If that does not work, all you're gonna wanna do is take one of these Allen keys, mix it around like this until it loosens up, and there you can see it's opening up. So after taking both of them out, I'm gonna once again put them in the order so I do not mix up where anything goes. And after that, your tire is gonna be loose to move around like this. You're gonna wanna make sure you guys have a proper like little stool or something that I have, something that like won't make it tip over. Then what you're gonna wanna do is gently take it out. If you have any screws going along here, you're gonna wanna untie them like I did over here. And make sure to be gentle on the electronics wire, and then also take off the little rings and extra accessories you have going on, and yeah, we're just gonna move on from there. So here we go, these are all my screws that I took off. There's no more screws left. All you're gonna wanna do is now take each of these, and you're gonna wanna unscrew the disc brake over here. You wanna be gentle with it because if you use the the Allen key, if you use it, you might over like screw the key, so you have to be really careful with this part because I screwed up multiple times. As you can see, this flat tire is pretty bad. So yeah, we're gonna get this repaired over here. So once you take off all the screws, it should look something like this. The disc brake should pop off easily and slide off over here. Next, you're gonna wanna take the inner screws, so the inner ones like this one, that one, this one. Do not unscrew the outer ones because this is like the motor, so you do not wanna touch those. Excuse me for the lawnmower in the back, my neighbors are kind of loud, but you guys want to make sure to take these out. Do not unscrew these ones, only the inner ones, and then the rim should pop off, and we'll show you what to do from there. One quick tip I like to give is to put the locks back on and the bolt to make sure like I could take them off easily without the wheel sliding down. So after you take off all the screws, you should have a pile that looks like this, and the rim should be loose. Sometimes if you still have air in it, you're gonna wanna like take that out. But what you're gonna wanna do is, I'm sorry for the bad angle, you're gonna wanna take it, and you're gonna wanna shake it around and pop off the rim. Make sure this does not fracture because it's very easy to fracture. And yeah, you're just gonna wanna make sure everything is out. If you wanna take the air out, you're just gonna wanna open the little cap over here, take one of these, and then just make sure to put it in, and then it should slip off like this on each side. You might want to like give it a little push, and there you go, and there goes the entire tire. So you know you're in a good part is when your motor looks like this, and this is your tube. As you can see, it has popped very badly. You're just gonna want to take the whole thing out, and you're just gonna want to throw it away. And now we're gonna prepare installing the brand new tube. So once you have your tire and your new tube, what you're gonna want to do is make sure that the nozzle is pointing into your direction, and make sure the tread is the correct way. So when the wheel spins, you want the nozzle facing you. So what you're gonna want to do is just insert it like this. It may be a little hard since there's no air in it, but you're just gonna want to seal it in like this. Make sure to not like rip it or tear it around. You're gonna wanna put it in like this, and just make sure to put it in every single corner. And yeah, just make sure to put it in like this, and we'll catch you after I do this. Seal in completely. You're gonna want to take one of your air pumps. It could be a manual or an electronic one. You're just gonna start pumping it like this. Bring it to about 3 psi. You're just gonna fit it in. If it does not go in nicely, make sure that the nozzle is pointing into the direction of you and the tread is going this way. So what you're gonna want to do is press it again. If you have an electronic one, keep it going, and at about 5 psi, 6 psi, whatever it is, you're gonna want to make sure it has a perfect fit. So there it is completely secure in there. You cannot take it out. If you have too much air, all you could do is take one of your Allen keys, take it out. But now your tire is completely in there, and now we're just gonna be doing the reverse process. So you're gonna wanna head back to your motor. You're gonna wanna find the spot that the nozzle is supposed to go in, and you're gonna wanna try to fit it in the correct way. So there it is, through here. And you're gonna wanna make sure it pokes out through the end of the hole. After you got the nozzle into the motor, you're just gonna wanna do everything back in reverse, starting with the screws to the motor, then the disc, then the locks, then the fender, then all the little things. You're just gonna wanna go completely back in reverse. Make sure you tighten all the bolts at the end. Unfortunately, I cannot make a video of putting it all back together because I do have a personal issue on my scooter tire because the metal wiring has popped. So this is kind of my fault because I wasn't prepared, but I cannot make a reverse back to normal video of me repairing it. But at least you guys do know what to do and how to do it again. You're just gonna put everything back in reverse, put the screws, disc, everything back the way I did. Just make sure it's backwards. And yeah, make sure the tread is the correct way. Sorry I can't make a reverse video because my tire is popped, and yeah, I just need to get a new tire. I wasn't prepared, but hope you guys enjoyed this video to at least know how to put it back together. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you all in another video.